Number 5. The BlackVue DR970X-2CH LTE is a high-end, dual-channel dashcam system engineered for drivers who demand uncompromised video quality and real-time connectivity. At the heart of this device lies its front camera, capable of recording stunning 4K Ultra HD footage, capturing every detail with remarkable clarity, even at high speeds or in low-light conditions, thanks to its 8-megapixel CMOS sensor and advanced image processing. Complementing the front unit is a full HD rear camera that ensures comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. What truly sets the DR970X-2CH LTE apart is its built-in LTE connectivity, allowing seamless access to BlackVue Cloud services without the need for external Wi-Fi hotspots or mobile routers. This feature empowers users to monitor their vehicles remotely in real time, receive instant push notifications in case of impacts. Number 4. The Thinkware U1000 Dual Dashcam is a top-tier dual-channel solution, delivering impeccable clarity and advanced safety features in a compact and refined package. Its front camera captures breathtaking 4K UHD footage, ensuring every detail such as license plates, road signs, and distant objects is recorded with exceptional sharpness, even during high-speed travel or sudden stops. The rear camera records in 2K QHD, providing superior clarity to most standard rear-facing systems and giving you confidence that footage from behind your vehicle is equally reliable. Equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, it effortlessly stores precise location and speed data for playback and allows seamless wireless connectivity. Number 3. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH is a high-end, dual-channel cloud dashcam that sets a new benchmark in automotive video recording and vehicle security. At the front, it features an 8-megapixel CMOS sensor capable of capturing crisp 4K UHD footage at 30 frames per second, offering a wide 162 field of view that ensures even the smallest details like license plates and road signs remain clear and discernible, even when zoomed in or viewed on a lower resolution screen. Complementing it is the rear camera, which records full HD video using a Sony Starvis sensor with a 139 angle, delivering remarkable clarity and low light sensitivity to cover events behind the vehicle, day or night. Number 2. The Nextbase 622GW Dashcam is a flagship in-car camera that delivers full 4K UHD, recording at 30 FPS, capturing every aspect of the road ahead in brilliant detail and vibrant color. Its high-resolution 8-megapixel sensor and wide-angle lens ensure crisp footage of traffic events, street signs, and license plates, even under challenging lighting or at night while built-in. Image stabilization minimizes blur from bumps or vibration. The intuitive rotating touchscreen allows for effortless setup and playback, and advanced features such as GPS logging, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth enable seamless location stamps, wireless file transfer, and voice control for hands-free operation. The 622 gigawatts also includes intelligent parking mode triggered by motion or impact, preserving video evidence even when the vehicle is parked. With emergency SOS functionality, in case of a severe collision, it automatically contacts emergency services, with location details adding a critical safety layer. Additional features like a polarizing lens filter attachment to reduce glare, Alexa built-in for voice commands, and support for micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes give users flexibility, convenience, and peace of mind. Blending cutting-edge video, fidelity with smart safety tools and user-friendly design, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts is a commanding choice for drivers who demand professional-grade recording and advanced connectivity inside a sleek, easy-to-use package. Number 1. The Viofo A329 is a state-of-the-art dual-channel dashcam engineered for drivers who demand top-tier performance, video clarity, and next-gen features in a compact form. At the heart of this system is its impressive front-facing 4K camera that records at a silky smooth 60 frames per second, ensuring fluid motion capture and exceptional detail retention even in high-speed driving scenarios or during slow-motion playback. The rear camera complements this with sharp 2K resolution, making it one of the few setups to offer such a high standard on both ends. Both units are equipped with advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensors,